In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use cloves on your natural hair. Before I go on, let me point out some benefits of cloves on hair. Cloves actually better hair growth. It nourishes the hair. It also gets rid of dandruff, and it also stops premature gray hair. It controls hair fall. So I'm making use of 1 spoon of cloves. And I added a glass of water into the pot. I allowed it to boil for 10 minutes before taking it out. This is how I used it on my hair. I sprayed it to the scalp of my hair. Then I used my hand to massage it. I also sprayed it on both sides of my cornrows. I also used it on my edges. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.